If you've ever dreamed of becoming a real estate agent in Dubai, the USA, India, or beyond, this is for you. At Green Door Homes, we've created the Global Agent Launch Kit, a complete training system to help you go from zero to first commission. Even if you're starting today, in this video, we will show you exactly what's included, so you know exactly what you're getting. The 104-page ebook. This is the core of the program. You'll get how to think like a top agent, 7 free ways to get leads in 2025, scripts that sell WhatsApp calls showings, how to show a property like a pro, closing the deal and getting paid, your 30-day action plan, and market-specific guides for Dubai, USA, and India. Bonus 1. 30-day action plan. A printable checklist. 1 task per day for your first 30 days. No overwhelm. Just 1 step at a time. Perfect for building momentum. Bonus 2. Scripts Vault. 25+ messages. Copy-paste messages for WhatsApp, cold calls, follow-ups, and referrals. Never freeze up again. Bonus 3. Lead Tracker Google Sheets. Organize your leads, follow-ups, and status like a pro. Simple, clean, and effective. Bonus 4. Commission Calculator Google Sheets. See exactly what you'll earn in AED, USD, or INR based on real deals. Bonus 5. Global Licensing Roadmap. Dubai RERA, USA State License, India RERA Registered Builders, side by side. Bonus 6. My Real Estate Career Kickoff. A personal milestone document to celebrate your progress. Not a license, but proof you're ready to begin. So what do you get? 1 ebook, 104 pages. 6 bonus resources, PDFs plus Google Sheets. Access to 7 training videos, private playlist. And you can start today, no experience needed. This isn't just a product, it's your launch pad. Whether you're in Dubai, Texas, Mumbai, or Lagos, this kit gives you the tools to start. If you're ready to begin your real estate career, the details are in the description. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Green Door Homes so you never miss a new home tour, real estate tip, or training update. Tap the bell to get notified when we post. And if you know someone who's dreaming of a career in real estate, share this video with them. This journey isn't about being the best. It's about being the one who starts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.